Okay, and welcome back everybody. I think we managed to fix the issue with the sound that I was having in the last video. So away we go. We're going to talk more about converting units of length. We're going to look at a couple of different units of length now, and you're familiar with all of these, of course, because we looked at these in the last video. Meters, centimeters, millimeters, and kilometers. Okay. You also should have written this down by now in your maths book, and hopefully you've committed these to memory. These are very important things to know. Okay, we're going to look now at how to convert between millimetres and centimetres. So there's the big fact that we need to know right here. 1 centimetre is the same as 10 millimetres. Okay, so that means that when we are converting centimetres to millimetres, we are going to multiply by 10 because there are 10 millimetres in every centimetre. And it means when we are converting from millimetres to centimetres, what are we going to do? You know it. We're going to divide by 10. We're going to go back the other way. Okay, let's have a look at how that works with a couple of examples. And here we go. So let's do this first one together. 5 centimetres is how many millimetres? Okay, just take a quick look back. We're going from centimetres to millimetres right here, so we're going to multiply by 10. So we'll take 5, multiply it by 10. 5 times 10 is 50. There you go. Okay, pause me now and have a go at B and C and see how you do. Pause me now. Okay, hopefully you've paused me and you've had a go at B and C. If you didn't do that, pause me now and do it, please. Okay, here are the answers. 12 centimetres, we multiply that by 10. 12 times 10 is 120. So there are 120 millimetres in 12 centimetres. And C, 23 centimetres times by 10 will give us 230 millimetres. Okay, let's look at D together because this time we're going from millimetres into centimetres. Okay, so come back here with me. Millimetres to centimetres. Okay, so we're dividing by 10. Let's have a look. All right, 60 millimetres equals how many centimetres? Divide 60 by 10. A simple way to do that, we saw the last video, just take off the 0. Okay, when you divide by 10. And so we have 6 centimetres. Okay, use that same strategy and have a go at E and F yourself. Pause me now. Okay, hopefully you've paused me, you've had a go at E and F. Let's have a look at the answers. E, we'll take off the 0 there because we're dividing by 10, going from millimetres to centimetres, so the answer is 90. And F, 1,500 millimetres is 150 centimetres. Okay, now stay with me. Don't go yet because we've got one more kind of conversion to do before you go on to your next activity. This time we're going to convert between metres and kilometres. Okay, really important to be able to do this. And notice our main fact here, 1 kilometre equals 1,000 metres. The prefix kilo actually means 1,000 of, so kilogram, there is 1,000 grams in that. And there are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. Okay, so when we go from metres to kilometres, when we convert, what do you reckon we do? We're multiplying because we're getting bigger. Okay, by 10, by 1,000, aren't we? Okay, we're multiplying by 1,000. It's like adding 3 zeros on the end, isn't it? Okay. When we're going from kilometres to metres, we are going back the other way. So we're dividing by 1,000. All right, let's have a look at some examples together. So A, 4 kilometres is how many metres? Oh, what do we have to do here? Let's go back and check. Okay, we're going from metres. I think I mucked this up. Metres to kilometres. Yep, I have. Boys and girls, don't worry. We'll fix this up. You probably worked it out already, haven't you? Okay, let's get rid of that. Actually, you know what? We just need to get rid of these. That's all we need to do. We'll keep 1,000 there because we're always multiplying or dividing by 1,000 when we're using kilometres and metres. Okay, so when we're going from metres to kilometres, we actually have to divide. Dividing by 1,000, okay? And kilometres to metres, we're multiplying by 1,000, okay? Good, now that we've got that cleared up, let's go back here. So kilometres to metres, 4 kilometres is how many metres? Okay, and we're multiplying. So let's multiply 4 by 1,000. Remember that trick, add 3 zeros. 3 zeros is 1,000. Okay, and there's our answer. Pause me now and have a go at B and C. They're quite similar. Okay, so once again, we're multiplying by 1,000 because there's 1,000 metres in a kilometre. So B is 15,000 metres. C, 29 kilometres is 29, it's not hard, is it? 1,000 metres. There's your answers. Okay, now we're going back the other way. I think Mr. B's finally got this worked out. Okay, so we're going from metres to kilometres. All right, so yep, we're dividing this time by 1,000. All right, so we can take those zeros off that we would put on if we're multiplying. So here's 6,000 metres. There are 3 zeros. When we divide by 1,000, we can just remove those to get 6 kilometres. There's your answer. 6,000 metres is 6 kilometres. Okay, have a go, and pause me now, have a go at E and F. Pause me right now. Okay, I'm sure you've got these. Let's have a look. 8,000 metres. Take off those 3 zeros, will give us 8 kilometres. 25,000 metres is the same as 25 kilometres. Now, if you have understood all of that, then you are ready to do the next couple of mathematics tasks that have been set for you. So off you go, give those a go, and I'm sure you will do well. If not, if you don't understand what you've just done, make sure you go and find out from the teacher, or you go and talk to a friend who knows what they're talking about. Okay, see you in the next video.